Since 2015, Casa Guatemala has partnered with the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation. And in that time, we have planted and distributed over 1,000 fruit trees to Casa Guatemala, to our families, and to the surrounding communities. This year, our friends brought 175 trees for us to plant at Casa Guatemala, distribute to our families, and to plant at the new middle school in the village of Las Brisas, just next door. Food security and sustainable agriculture has always been an important part of Casa Guatemala's mission. All around our property, you can see the fruits of our labor. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs are grown right outside our front door, so that our kitchen has accessibility to the foods that we want to enjoy every single day. And the children of Casa Guatemala are involved step by step in the process of planting our food, as well as collecting it and helping to cook it. Every year that the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation has been with us, Juan Antonio Elizondo has been one of their volunteers who have led the campaign. This year, he was able to bring some of his past students from the Fur High School in Houston, Texas, along with him to help share the skills that they had learned in their world-famous garden at home. Their team did an amazing job working with our local staff and the families who were able to join us to learn just how to plant a fruit tree to ensure that later they will see the fruits of their labors for generations to come. We were joined by mothers, fathers, and even grandmothers from the villages of Camelias, Esmeralda, Temejas, and Baralampara. Our families have always played an integral role in the sustainability of our agriculture, with each family providing a baby chicken at the beginning of the year that grow in to produce their own babies as well. Whether they could join us for the workshop or not, every family will receive their own fruit tree, thanks to our friends at the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation. Thanks to our friends at Frutas del Mundo, we had a wide selection of plants to choose from. There were 8 different types of trees: guayaba, soursop, limes, mandarins, mangoes, avocados, zapotes, and bolivias, which are delicious. It was wonderful to see our kids working side by side with their parents to plant the trees around Casa Guatemala. In the afternoon, we were joined by the students from the middle school in Las Brisas. Many of them had also studied at Casa Guatemala and had been involved in the planting of trees on site with us before. Now it was their turns to become the stewards of their community, to plant trees around their new middle school that they would take care of to ensure that future generations of students would be able to benefit from the fruits of their labors. Juan Antonio taught them how to treat each plant with love and a connection to Mother Earth. All of the students paid close attention and then were involved in the process of planting each tree. We are incredibly grateful to our friends at the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation and to the volunteers who came to help make this project possible. Together as a community, we will continue to make a difference.